Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yes, me there here again once more, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Me Dancehall skilla, I like to give you information according to how I get information. See? Alright, now, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and this video is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between two persons. Now, based on what I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that at some point, one person who you can see in the video placed handcuffs on one person who you can see in the video, and one of those persons was wearing a type of uniform. Now, I think it would be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself and see if you can get a good understanding about the whole situation. And please bear in mind that the video shows a tussle between two persons, viewers and subscribers. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Yes. She asked him for his license and he don't really share. So why you wrapping up your I don't know. I do not know. Because she asked him for his license and she had the insurance, he was a lock shop. So when you wrapping up your yeah, but you don't know so far. What the ass is this? Yes, you lash up.
Listen, people, listen. Listen.
Why he touching you, woman, boy? Why he touching? Hey, but you cannot do shit like that. No. You cannot do that, though. So he said, yeah, but you cannot do that. She doing she work. She's wrong. Oh, that's wrong. It fall out when you're off. No, when you're off, it fall out. She didn't pass it. I was right here. She didn't pass it. Yeah, but you don't need to reach so far, though. You don't need to reach so far, yeah. Somebody calling me police. Very nice, very nice. points and then make a motion. So the final comment, I call him personally that's how I put personally there. I think tell them it's like they know enough pressure. I think I can get inside. Come on, lady. Lady wrong, there was all the seven problems. They know what's going on. None of them know what's going on. None of them know what's going on. Everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know what's going on. I'll never know. We had the video here.
Look at people. People can see what going on.
Theater. The grandma now. Grandma might be there. Oh, they get to call anybody? When he was hit. Yes, he hit her. Look, she's there and he handcuffed her.
I have all the co-worker there.
Because she asked him for his driver's permit and he said he's not providing it because he don't show her the police ID already.
No, yeah, the police document.
That is what caused the argument.
Yeah, you are listening. Listen. If you go so, near go so.
He said he's a police. He showed us his ID and he asked if he has driver's permit and he said no. He don't show her the ID already. That's what caused the argument. The police coming and the thing is exactly. I'm pushing the car like she's a dog.
Now, even though at least one person says certain things in the video, I'm the kind of person I like to work with confirmed information. Sometimes I'd rather hear from persons who are somewhat involved in certain type of situation. You see me I say? Now, it's not good to jump to conclusion with people, but I question the situation. I wonder if anyone hit anyone. And if so be the case, who would have done something like that to who? You understand me, people? Listen to this part. Listen this part. Listen.
The officer called you. This gentleman is an officer, right? He showed us his ID. We asked him for his driver's permit and he said he's not providing it. And he and the officer at that altercation, he handcuffed her and told her she's under arrest and he hit her. That gentleman there, he said he's an officer, he hit the traffic button and pushed her in his vehicle.
When it comes down to the allegations and the assumptions, I don't want to say it in this video. But you can ask me certain questions in the comment section of the video. Yeah, I will tell you what I know there and so forth. You see me? The point is though, the situation look away. And based on what me see and hearing that video, viewers and subscribers, something happened. And it seems as if something happened that one person did not agree with. And one person decide to do certain things. You see me I say? I mean, why would somebody do something like that? What really and truly caused for that person to put handcuffs on a person who you can see in the video? It just really and truly look away. You see me I say, my people? But there's not much more we can say about the whole situation. But you can let me know what you think. You know, each one teach one. That's how the thing goes sometimes. No. So here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Skilla.